Calling again from getjamaica.com, and we're here today to talk to you about authentic jerk chicken recipes. Now, we wanted to point out to you that specifically Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the third edition, is the largest truly authentic Jamaican cookbook that is downloadable online. It has over 1,000 Jamaican recipes, and you can download this book for just $9.99 at getjamaica.com. And basically, what we're actually telling you is that if you download this cookbook, you're actually paying less than 0.009 per recipe, and all of these recipes are authentic and true. Now let's take a quick look on how you're actually going to use Jamaican Cooking Made Easy to find a host of authentic jerk chicken recipes. Now first you want to scroll down to your contents on page 2. And of course, the book is in portable document format, but it's in such a format that allows you to easily navigate through the book. Now, first of all, we've got many chapters here. Now, as you can see, we've got cooking tips and hints. We've got Jamaican appetizer, soup, Jamaican chicken, beef, pork, fish, seafood, jerk, baking, dessert, easy gourmet, sauce, side dish, vegetarian, drink, diabetic, and holiday recipes. Absolutely tremendous. There is no other cookbook actually that is out there that is as large as this cookbook. Now what I wanted to focus in on today was of course the jerk recipes, and once you've gotten to the content page, all you're going to do is click on that link and it's going to take you to the Jamaican jerk chicken recipes chapter. And of course, as you can see, these are what we consider the top Jamaican jerk recipes, and you can browse quickly through them. And you've got of course jerk stock, jerk sauce, jerk chicken wings, jerk pork, jerk dip. You've got jerk chicken in special sauce, jerk seasoned rice, jerk ham. You've got the ginger Jamaican jerk chicken, jerk seasoning, jerked potato salad, and I can tell you that's a delicious and tasty dish, and one of our popular favorites, and not many people actually know about this dish, is the Jamaican jerk ackee. And you can actually browse through, so once you've gotten to the chapter, you can browse through directly to the recipe itself, and there you have it. One click on that link and now you're back to the recipe, Jamaican jerk ackee. And of course, it gives you basically what it's all about, gives you the ingredients needed, gives you the preparation, and of course gives you some great cooking tips about the Jamaican jerk ackee recipe. And of course, if you don't like that and you want to choose another one, just go ahead and click back to the top of the chapter. You're back to the Jamaican jerk recipes chapter. And basically, even if you decide to choose another one, the functionality is still the same. You've got a Negril style jerk chicken, very popular, along with your cooking tip and hint. And of course, if you wanted to find any other recipes, you could quickly go to your index and of course look here for ackee and saltfish, and this is for the diabetic kind. You just go ahead and click on that. You've got the ackee and natural saltfish, the diabetic version. Excellent cookbook. We can't tell you and we can't explain to you how popular this cookbook is and how many copies have already been sold, and we have never had one complaint. In fact, we've been getting kudos since the day the book was published in 2007. So guys, if you want to find authentic jerk chicken recipes, you've got to go to www.getjamaica.com and of course look for this cookbook to download. Okay guys, till next time, take care.